Welcome to the world of high-performance sports cars, where speed, design, and engineering excellence collide. These aren't just cars, they're rolling sculptures and technological marvels, the closest most of us get to piloting a fighter jet on the ground. Today we'll dive into what truly makes a sports car special, beyond just speed and looks. We'll explore legendary brands, iconic models, and the key technologies that set these machines apart. Plus, we'll talk about the driving experience and peek into the future of high-performance sports cars. Buckle up, let's explore the thrilling, fascinating, and sometimes wild world of high-performance sports cars. What is a sports car? It's more than just speed. A true sports car is engineered for agility, precision, and a direct connection between driver and road. It's low, sleek, often rear or all-wheel drive, and built for the pure joy of driving, even if that means sacrificing comfort or practicality. Ultimately, it's a specialized tool for carving up twisty roads and putting a massive smile on your face. High performance starts with the engine, the heart of every sports car. V6, V8s, V10s, and VI12s dominate, each with their own unique sound and power delivery. Take the Ferrari 488 GTB, a twin-turbo V8 with 661 horsepower, launching you from 0-60 in just 3 seconds. Or the Porsche 911 Turbo, a benchmark for everyday supercar performance, hitting 60 in the mid-2-second range. These engines aren't just about numbers, they're engineered for instant response and character, making every drive an event. In a true sports car, the engine is as much about emotion as it is about speed.